Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to reset iPhone without Apple ID password. So if you want to erase your iPhone or factory reset your iPhone without Apple ID password, or if you don't know the Apple ID password and you're not able to sign out the Apple ID, and as you know, without the Apple ID password, you won't be able to reset or erase your iPhone because it will always ask for you to enter the password. Let me show you. If you go to general and try to erase our iPhone, as you can see, it will always ask for you to enter the password of your Apple ID before you can reset or erase your iPhone. And then I'm going to show you how you can fix it and how you can erase it. Simply go to your iPhone settings, then click on your Apple ID, click on Find My iPhone, and then try to turn it off. Once you click on it, it will ask for you to enter the password which you don't have, but don't worry. Simply click on this forget password. Don't worry, you don't have to enter any phone number, email address, or any verification code. Just follow these steps. Once you click on it, just wait, and your device, iPad or iPhone, will ask for you to enter the passcode of your iPhone instead of phone number, email address, or any verification. Simply enter the passcode of your iPhone, and here you go. Now as you can see, it will give you the option to change the password for your Apple ID. As you can see, without entering any phone number, email address, or any verification code, we have option to change the password. Simply enter the password for your Apple ID and then click on continue, and the Apple ID password will be changed. Once the Apple ID password is changed, you can simply sign out from the Apple ID and then go ahead and you can now reset your device. You can erase your device without Apple ID. So hope this video helps, and if you need any help, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.